Good morning children. Welcome back to our English class. In our previous class, we explained some of the grammar. Today, I want to introduce our verbs. These are Astrogen verbs. This time we have Astrogen. Last year, we followed state syllabus. But these are Astrogen verbs. Now we have two term verbs. We have two terms. In this books, first term we have three books. We have three books. The first one is course book. The first one is course book. This is the course book. We use this book just like a textbook. Understood? The second one is activity book. Activity book. In this, whatever the given activities, we have to do these activities without your parents or teachers' help. You have to do in your own only. You get lot of joy and enjoyment doing this book. Next one is, this is the workbook. This workbook you have to use just like a CW. Whatever teacher explains, this one you have to do in class. Understood? These are the three books. Today I would like to explain a poem from these three books from the course book. Understood? Before going to poem, I would like to explain some of the meanings. See once, look at the board. Vocabulary skills. In vocabulary skills, we have some meanings. We have some meanings. Blaze, burn fiercely. Blaze means burn fiercely. Trundle, move slowly. Trundle means move slowly. Beneath means under. Beneath means under. Mounts means scoops. Mounts means scoops. Fizz means bubbles. Cluster means gather. Cluster means gather. Now, okay, do you like summer season? Yes, everyone likes summer season because we get to holidays. This time we got more holidays, more than 1 month. Is it right? In summer holidays, which food items do you like the most? Which food items do you like to eat? Very good, some are saying mangoes. That also right. But I will give you one clue. What is that clue? It is cold, tasty and creamy. Yeah, very good. It is an ice cream. Today we are going to learn about Ice Cream Man poem. What is that? Ice Cream Man poem. Now, everyone take your course book. Everyone take your course book. This is the course book. Now only I explain now. Now open page number 4. Open page number 4. When see this poem, Ice Cream Man. Okay. Who is the writer of this poem? The poet of this poem, Rachel Field. Who is that? Rachel Field. Now, everyone take your pencil. Whenever I say a hard word, you have to underline that hard word. Understood? Now, I am reading poem. Everyone observe carefully. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. I am reading again the first stanza. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are chilly things to drink. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Now, coming to summary, this poem is explained or given about an ice cream man. Do you know ice cream man? Not in the shop. He takes his little cart and he comes to our streets. Do you know that cart? Yes, it is so colorful. Also, everyone likes that sight because we like ice cream. Children like ice cream. Everyone want to cluster around. Everyone want to gather there. Beneath his round umbrella. Beneath his round umbrella. Beneath means now only I said under. Beneath means under. When summer, okay, how the summer season looks, or how it, okay, how may you feel? We may feel hot, and also summertime, okay, summertime brings a blaze of heat means everyone, the rocks, everything, it heat up, and also when we touch, we can feel the heatness. Understood? Any walls, everything, the objects also. Understood? And also at that time when the ice cream man comes into our streets, we feel very joy. Seeing that beautiful sight. He comes, trembling means he comes slowly to our streets, moving his little and beautiful cart. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, that is the joyful sight for everyone. They want to eat flavored ice cream, is it? To see him fill the cones with, what he does? He fills the cones with mounds. Do you know cone? Very good, everyone knows cone. Okay, what he fills? He fills the cones with mounds, means with an ice cream. Understood? Cooling, brown and white. He fills chocolate ice cream and also vanilla. Here he given, the poet given some of the flowers also. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. And also some chilly things also we can find. Means some of the mazza like cool drinks. Next, from bottles full of frosty fizz means they are cool, chilled, and also sometimes we can get some of the ice bars also. Now, his cart might be a flower bed. How it looks? He is carrying a number of ice creams, flowered and also colors. That's why it looks just like a flower bed. Means it decorated with a number of roses or any jasmine. Number of types of flowers. If we arrange anything, it looks beautiful. That only the poet wants to explain in this poem. Then he says the way the children cluster round. The children they gather. Cluster means they gather to around the cart. And how they cover the ice cream man just like honeybees. How the honeybees cover the beehive. Okay, they cover. Okay, they won't give little space also. Understood? The children also. Okay, how they shout. I want this uncle. I want this ice cream. That ice cream. I want vanilla, strawberry. They shout and shout. Now, look page number 6. A quick summary. In scorching summers, children look forward to eat ice cream. Cool ice creams. What if they come across an ice cream man whose cart holds different colors and flowers of ice cream? They swarm around him instantly and cheerfully like honeybees to satiate their taste buds, means to satisfy our taste buds or the children's taste buds. This poem is about such an ice cream vendor who sells ice creams in his little car. Beneath his umbrella means under his umbrella in a hot summer, the children round him look bright and happy and say, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. How you scream? How do you scream? I need so and so. This is our poem, The Ice Cream Man. Here you can observe a colorful cart and some children gathered here. Thank you, children.